How to check Walmart Mastercard balance. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your Walmart Mastercard balance. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna head over to any of the search engine and you're gonna type in this query that is vanilla Mastercard gift card balance. And then you'll be able to see this website that is vanilla prepaid www.vanillaprepaid.com. Make sure that the website is correct because you wouldn't want a scam website to take your data. So make sure it is this one that is Vanilla Prepaid, and then you're gonna simply click on it and you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So what you're gonna do is if you wish to check your balance and access your account, you're gonna type down your card number, your expiration date, the month, the year, the CVV number, and once you do so, you can see your card information, click on continue, and after that, you'll be able to see your balance. So you can simply check the balance and you can access your account from here. So that's the end of today's tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.